Assalamu alaikum everyone. On 15th May, the crypto award is going to come out. So make sure that you remember the date because it's going to be a little bit of a 14 minutes kind of an update where we talk about different people who are going to win different things, who is going to win the bad thing and who's going to win the good stuff. Just a fun little story of three friends sitting down and talking about crypto, and in general, just we talk about crypto. That's it. So back to Jasmy. I like what Jasmy is probably doing. Jasmy is pretty amazing at the moment because, it's not giving up, right? It's not giving up. And one of the best patterns that I do see for Jasmy at the moment is the following. Boom, 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 boom. Drop to the downside, move to the upside, move like this, and you're really trying to break out. Now I've told you in the previous updates, right? I'm going to tell you again if you're new. You have this right shoulder. The technical target of that right shoulder is going to be up to this area, okay? And then you got a left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, and the technical target of that inverse head and shoulder is going to be up to this place. And then you have another one which is bump and run, and that technical target is actually up there. So you have potential of making 2.5 to 3x, okay? That's a lot of reward, and that's realistic reward at the moment we're talking about for Jasmy. And I do see a lot of altcoins actually breaking out. Altcoins are looking amazing. Jasmy is finally trying to break to the upside. And I've told you the technical targets. Number one is going to be 8,500. We're sitting at 7,000. Number two is going to be nearly 11,000, and number three is going to be potentially 22,000, right? So I'm going to remove some of these ones, drawing there, and let's actually dive into the smaller time frame, which is going to be the 1 hour time frame. And back into the 1 hour time frame, you do have a break of this little bit of a pattern right here. So I'm going to show you very quickly. All right. So you potentially have broken out like that, and you're looking for a retest down here at 6,800. Okay, so you're sitting at 7,064. 6,800 is the place where I do think you're coming down for the retest. If you bounce off here, you go to the first technical target, which is going to be 8,000 level. So I think a little bit of a bounce from here, retest is going to be really important. Now number two is if you look on the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame does look like it's broken, but I would rather recommend you to confirm things on the daily time frame because the daily is important. The higher time frame, confirming things on a higher time frame is always going to be better. So you got touch number one, touch number two, touch number three, touch number four. Now you are making a breakout, but the question really is this going to end up being a wick like this, or is it going to close and make a bullish closing? And when you make a bullish closing, it doesn't really end there. That's half of the story. When you make a bullish closing, that's not enough, because we need the next candle to come down and touch the line and bounce off the line and retest the line, and even potentially have the EMA support, like come down, touch the 10, so get support of the 10. You already have a bull cross. This is your bull cross right here. You're pumping up, you came down, and we've talked about the bull cross as well. You don't want to come below this level, okay? This here, which is actually 5,600. You don't want to come below down there because you're going to lose the EMAs all in all, and you're going to actually cancel the bull cross as well. You don't want to do that. So what I want to see is a bullish closing, a nice good retest. But one thing is actually not so good, and that is when you broke out, there's no volume. The volume isn't really there. If you look at the volume is ugly. The volume is not beautiful. And in order to break out, you need a potential good volume. Now something like this right over here, that's the kind of a volume that we need to have a nice good breakout. But you can see that it's trying to break out, but there's no volume at all. So there's chances that it actually ends up being a wick and then coming down. You never know. But anyways, it's so early to say anything. I kind of have a good feeling about it, that it's gonna break and it's gonna go up. I mean, why not? It's been 1.5 years. I don't think we're gonna actually have a very long bear market at all, okay? So that's it for this Jasmy video update. 15 May, the awards come out. It's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.